Hey everyone, this is Max Fritz here, just talking to you about a great workshop coming up at 365 EduCon, formerly known as SharePoint Fest, but awesome conference. I really hope to see you there. And I'm going to be leading a workshop on building a Teams app for Microsoft Teams. Now, before you go leave me, this is not for developers. If you're a developer, if you know code, probably not even the right session for you. This is for you sitting there who's thought, you know what? I really wish I could do this more simply, or I wish I could automate a process, or maybe make something more collaborative in my department. If you've ever thought yourself thinking any of those, or just wanting to explore, making something of your own, this is going to be a workshop for you. So we're going to go step by step, creating a Teams app with what's called the Power Platform. Power Platform includes analytics, lightweight app development, automation, bots and agents, all sorts of things that we're going to get into and explain how they work. And we're actually going to build a Teams app together. Now, I have 4 ideas of what we could do together. And the great part is when you come to this workshop, the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to vote which app we want to build together. We're all going to open up our computers. You're going to log into your Office 365 environment, or I'll give you some credentials to a test one, and we will start building together. We'll follow along throughout the workshop, and really you'll learn how to build, and you'll have something real to take home with you. Afterwards, you hopefully will even have the skills and knowledge to build apps on your own inside of Teams and really improve business processes, start working on automation, and bring some apps back to your organization. So go over to 365educon.com. I really hope to see you at this upcoming conference, and make sure to attend the workshop. Build your first Teams app with Microsoft Power Platform.